Why is it that humans have such an insatiable curiosity to explore the unknown, the uncharted, the untouched? Why do we set our sights on Mars? If we look back through history, it's clear that the desire for exploration and adventure is intrinsic to our nature. Since time immemorial, we've been explorers and adventurers, pushing the boundaries of our known world. From the ancient seafarers who navigated uncharted oceans, to the pioneers who ventured into the wild frontiers, to the astronauts who breached the boundaries of our atmosphere, our history is marked by an unending quest to explore and understand the world around us. This inherent curiosity is not just about the thrill of discovery. It's about survival, growth, and the evolution of our species. It's about answering fundamental questions about who we are, where we come from, and where we are going. It's about our insatiable thirst for knowledge and the innate drive to push the boundaries of what is known and unknown. In the grand scheme of human history, setting our sights on Mars is the next logical step in our journey of exploration. Mars, the red planet, has long fascinated us, with its tantalizing clues about the possibility of life beyond Earth. It's a new frontier, a new challenge, and a new opportunity for us to learn, grow, and perhaps find answers to some of the most profound questions of our existence. The journey to Mars is not just about technological advancements or scientific discoveries. It's about the human spirit, about our collective desire to reach for the stars, to push the boundaries of our capabilities, and to venture into the unknown. It's a testament to our enduring curiosity, our unwavering determination, and our unquenchable thirst for exploration. While we may not be the ones stepping foot on Mars, the human race is undeniably headed there. It's a testament to our enduring spirit of exploration, and a testament to the fact that we, as a species, are not content to stay in one place. We are explorers, adventurers, and pioneers, always looking to the next frontier. NASA, the veterans in space exploration, have a methodical and strategic approach to reaching Mars. Their plans hinge on a crucial intermediary step, the Moon. Under the Artemis program, NASA aims to establish a permanent human presence on our closest celestial neighbor. This isn't simply about planting another flag. It's about creating a sustainable outpost. The Moon is set to become a cosmic pit stop, a launch pad for missions further into the solar system, particularly Mars. In this endeavor, NASA is not just looking to survive on the Moon, but to thrive. This involves in situ resource utilization, which is a fancy term for making the most of what the Moon has to offer. From water and oxygen to rocks and metals, the Moon could provide the raw materials for building a new lunar infrastructure. As part of this lunar focus, NASA and its global partners are working on the Lunar Gateway, a space station in cislunar space. This outpost would serve as a base for both robotic and crewed missions, a deep space pit stop on the road to Mars. But while the Moon is a critical part of the plan, it's not the only piece of the puzzle. NASA is also expanding its robotic footprint on Mars. We're not just talking about rovers here, but flying machines. With the successful test of the Ingenuity drone, we've proven we can fly helicopters on Mars. This opens up a whole new world of exploration and sample collection opportunities. NASA also has plans for an autonomous space station in Mars orbit, a more permanent way station for missions to and from Mars. This would support a key component of Martian research, sample return missions. So the essence of NASA's Moon to Mars plan is a two-pronged approach. Establish a foothold on the Moon, learn to survive and build in this harsh environment, while also laying down a robotic foundation on Mars. NASA's approach, although slower, builds a solid groundwork for long-term exploration and survival on Mars. It's a marathon, not a sprint, but it promises to change the face of space exploration as we know it. SpaceX, the new kids on the block, have a more ambitious and revolutionary approach to reaching Mars. When you talk about SpaceX, you can't help but think of Elon Musk, the audacious entrepreneur who's made it his mission to make humans a multi-planetary species. Musk's vision is clear. He wants to build a self-sustaining city on Mars, and to do that, SpaceX is developing the Starship, an ambitious spacecraft designed to carry up to 100 people or 100 metric tons of cargo. The Starship is unlike anything we've seen before. It's fully reusable, designed to be launched, landed, and launched again. This reusability is key to making space travel more affordable and sustainable. It's also built to withstand the journey to Mars, which could take anywhere from 6 to 9 months. But building a giant, reusable spaceship is no easy task. SpaceX faces a slew of challenges. There's the sheer engineering feat of creating a ship that can withstand the rigors of space travel and the harsh conditions on Mars. There's the challenge of creating a propulsion system that can get the Starship to Mars and back. And there's the ever-present challenge of securing enough funding to keep the project going. Despite these challenges, SpaceX is making headway. They've already conducted several successful tests of the Starship's prototypes, and they're planning to send their first cargo mission to Mars as early as 2024, followed by a crewed mission a couple of years later. While SpaceX's plan may seem audacious, it could complement NASA's efforts nicely. NASA's focus on establishing a lunar base could help SpaceX by providing a launch pad closer to Mars, and SpaceX's Starship could provide the transport system that NASA lacks. It's a symbiotic relationship that could benefit both parties and, more importantly, help humanity reach Mars. SpaceX's approach, although risky, pushes the boundaries of what we thought was possible and could get us to Mars faster. The journey to Mars is likely to be a combination of the old school and new school methods. The ambition to set foot on Mars is not a race, but a relay, a grand collaboration, where the baton is passed between the seasoned expertise of NASA and the audacious innovations of SpaceX. The route to Mars, as it stands, is a two-step dance choreographed by these two giants of space exploration. NASA's plan to establish a permanent presence on the Moon through the Artemis program is the first step. The Moon, with its low gravity and lack of atmosphere, serves as an ideal launch pad, a stepping stone to the red planet. Living on the Moon, exploiting its resources, thriving in its harsh environment, will provide invaluable lessons for our future Martians. This lunar base is not just a pit stop, but a proving ground for living beyond Earth. But what good is a moon base without a reliable transport system to ferry us to Mars? Enter SpaceX. The company, founded by Elon Musk, has been developing the Starship, a fully reusable spacecraft designed for long-duration interplanetary travel. This transport system could be the bridge between the Moon and Mars. Its reusability and capacity to carry large payloads make it a game-changer, a space ferry that could shuttle humans and supplies back and forth. The synergies of this combined approach are compelling. NASA's Artemis program equips us with the survival skills needed for extraterrestrial life, while SpaceX's Starship provides the means to apply these skills on Mars. This isn't just about planting flags on distant worlds, but about establishing a sustainable human presence beyond our home planet. This collaboration would be a testament to human ingenuity, a fusion of tradition and innovation, a marriage of experience and audacity. As we stand on the brink of becoming an interplanetary species, it's not about old school versus new school, but about combining the best of both to achieve a common goal. It's clear that the journey to Mars will be an epic one, combining the tried and true methods of NASA with the groundbreaking innovations of SpaceX. As we stand on the cusp of a new era in space exploration, the question remains, how will we get to Mars? We've traversed the cosmos of possibilities, from the tried and tested methods of NASA to the bold and innovative approaches of SpaceX. Each of these paths offers unique advantages and challenges, but all are guided by the same fundamental human desire for exploration and adventure. The journey to Mars is not just about reaching a new planet, but about pushing the boundaries of what we as a species are capable of. It's about establishing a permanent presence on the Moon, a step that may seem small against the vast expanse of space, but one that is crucial in our quest to conquer Mars. The Moon will serve as a gateway, a spaceport from where we can launch deeper into the cosmos, overcoming the constraints of Earth's gravity and atmosphere. Simultaneously, we'll be expanding our robotic presence on Mars, deploying advanced rovers and flying machines to explore the red planet. These robotic pioneers will lay the groundwork for human explorers, collecting invaluable data and samples that will inform our understanding of Mars and its potential for human habitation. But the journey to Mars is not without its challenges. It requires advanced technology, vast resources, and a level of international cooperation that is unprecedented in space exploration. No single entity, not even SpaceX, can accomplish this feat alone. It's a global endeavor, one that will require the combined efforts of NASA, international space agencies, and private companies. The road to Mars is long and fraught with obstacles. But these challenges only serve to fuel our determination. They push us to innovate, to solve problems, and to work together towards a common goal. Regardless of the path we take, one thing is certain. The human race is destined for Mars, and it's only a matter of time before we get there. Our journey into space is a testament to our capacity for discovery and our unquenchable thirst for knowledge. It's a testament to who we are as humans, always reaching for the stars.